Hi and welcome to this edition of Out the Box. My name's Paul. Today we're going to be having a look at the Rackmount.IT kit, the aftermarket kit for the FortiGate 60 series, so the E, the F, I think it sits this DSL in there. Most of the 60 models will fit in here, essentially those that have got have got 8 ports. So, I'm not going to show you the box because it's just a cardboard box and a piece of metal. It's a rack mount kit, but I want to actually show you a FortiGate actually installed on here and show you what you get as an overall for this. So let me remind you of the problem that we have. If these are desk mount firewalls, so we've got our FortiGate 60F in the front here, all right, and we've got all of its network ports at the back. So if you want to rack mount this, yeah, you can do. You could put it on a shelf. Pretty nice, easy, and you've got to make a choice. Do you want to see all your LEDs at the front to see what status you're happening, or do you want accessibility to all your network ports? Also, that moving it backwards and forwards in the rack, if you need to recable it, can give you some instability. Maybe the power comes out or something like that. So the rack mount kit from Rackmount.IT, this is the RM-FR-T10. Brings both of those worlds into one play. We're going to rack mount this in a 1U rack mount. Now we can fit it inside our rack. Our 60F or 60 series sits in here nicely. We bring all of our network ports to the front, and now we have the best of both worlds. We also get to fix our power pack in the back so it doesn't come loose. So let me just show you, see how far I can bring that up for you, show you that neatly connected in there. All right, and then at the back, let me show you what we've done. Obviously, here's our unit. We've been able to bring each one of the network ports, the network cable ports, all the way round to here. We've been neatly be able to fix our power pack in the back there as well. So obviously what you get, let me pull those bits up, you get nice accessibility to all of the switch ports at the front, easy access to all the LEDs at the front there of your FortiGate as well, and you get a nice easy rack mount solution. It's tidied away, it's secure, it's not sitting on the desktop or anything else like that. So hopefully that's been useful just to have a look at actually a firewall mounted in one of these. Do head on over to our YouTube channel. We've got plenty more box openings on wireless network, firewall devices, how-to guides as well. So subscribe and stay up to date.